go. Gracie, go. No! He's videoing this. Oh,
So much fun. Wow.
Want to try some hot coffee?
I want to see you go down the slide.
Okay.
Your dad built that cool slide for you.
Okay.
Nah.
Did you get wet? How fun is that? What a fun little pool. That duct tape does everything, doesn't it, guys? Oh, my goodness. There she goes.
Go on your butt, and then no hands, and land on your butt.
She is such a cute
Gracie,
girl.
go. That's not landing on your butt.
You gotta land on your buns. Land on your buns, and then you splash down. Oh, it's not rags.